In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Bluetooth couldn't connect error in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you might have a Bluetooth device and it's not connecting on your PC, but you might not know why. So a common error is that your Bluetooth actually isn't on or functioning properly. So the first thing you want to do is go over to here, check that your Bluetooth devices, your area is on. So let's just press this and it's going to show a lot of different things. We can just open up the settings. Now, if Bluetooth isn't there, you can also just go onto search and type in Bluetooth and other devices, and this will come up one more time. So, if Bluetooth is off, you want to make sure that it is turned on. Now, if it's off and you go back to here, as you can see, Bluetooth isn't going to be here. So you want to always make sure that Bluetooth is on if you're trying to connect something. After that, all you have to do is press add device, and then you can add the device of your choice and start pairing it depending on what device it is. However, if it's still not working, all you want to do is once you're on this page, you want to scroll down until you see more Bluetooth settings. From here, you're going to see a lot of different things. So you want to check this where it says allow Bluetooth devices to find this PC. You want to check that. You want to press apply and then you want to press OK. What I would definitely recommend doing after that is going over to your Windows icon, right clicking it, and then going over to your device manager. And then you're going to see a lot of different things, but what you want to click on is Bluetooth, which is like the fifth one down. Over here, you're going to see any adapters that are connected to your PC. So this is my Bluetooth adapter that is inside my desktop PC right now. What I want to do is I want to right click this and go over to properties and then go to driver, which is the third tab. And then I want to press update driver. You can also get your driver details as well. But let's say I press update driver. You can then search automatically for drivers using the internet. So make sure you're connected. Press that. And in my instance, I have the best driver already installed. But if you don't, it's going to detect that you don't have the best driver installed and it's going to install it for you.